Today it's Thursday, January 8th, 2026. Still Thursday, eh? Yeah. This is the Sirocco that I put a title MK6 Golf engine build. Don't ask me why. That's how I put that time, and this is how I'm continuing with the title of this video. It's not the Golf MK6, it's Sirocco, alright? The engine, you can find it also on the MK6 Golf. This is the engine with the piece connecting rods, with the studs, the one that melt, okay? And this was the third time, second time, third time, I don't remember how many times. I'm stopped counting, okay? I'm gonna explain. Now, the guys that put it back together, this is the donor engine, the used engine, alright? OEM high pressure pump, injectors. Where are we now, Mr. Z?
Yes.
Cranking it?
Yes.
Oil inside?
Yes.
Coolant, I can see there. We have to double check also the transmission oil level, alright? You block also, okay, here for the methanol, it's been blocked, fine. One question, how old is the fuel that has inside? The car is standing 3-4 years, maybe more than 4 years. It might not even start because of the fuel. We're gonna start the low pressure pump, never mind, we're gonna find out, right? Okay, battery charger?
Yeah.
You charge the battery?
Yes.
Yeah, but it's a good thing to put also the battery charger on it to don't drain the battery, because it will gonna have a long cranking. And the positive here, it's been exposed. It's not fully entered inside. It's supposed to be for amplifier. Yeah, you don't need this kind of things. You see, the fuse it's after this, not before. Before there is no fuse. Yeah, we're gonna trim that. I'm gonna say to the guys to trim it. It's, you don't want to touch anywhere. You're gonna tell me all around it's plastic, but the bonnet, yeah. Okay, let's connect the filter here. Where it went? Ah, it's done. You wash it.
Yes.
All right, fine. Yeah, all right, fine. Okay, standing by 1 minute to connect the battery charger on continuity to don't drain the battery. And yeah, you know what? We're gonna make sense to, before we put the engine, to wash it, all these things, but we didn't. Okay. All right, it is what it is. The owner, he wants the car fast back, and yeah, that's where we are. These plugs here.
This one that's why first put was not stick.
But all right. One it might be for the boost solenoid, and the other one's supposed to be for the blow valve.
Maybe
That.
but already right backside axle. No.
Yeah, it was not being connected because it has external waste gate and it doesn't have. I think the blow valve. It's. Where's the blow valve to begin with? Never mind. It's not now the time for blow valve. Okay. Okay. Battery charger on diagnostic mode. Mr. Z, he's inside. No, he's going now inside. Crank it direct, eh? Crank it to hear it. Mr. Jimmy, 4 years old fuel inside. Has fuel to begin with. Has a fuel inside. All right, crank it. Go for it. Mr. Z? Nothing? Dead? You think he found the key? Let me see the key.
He has his position, he has the location. Look, this is position there. Put the key down, then press the button.
It's working, the key? Has a battery?
Probably not.
Stick it next to the steering column there. 1 second, because we have some... Oh boy, now I understand what happened with the key.
It's broken.
No, it's not broken. You see something on it? It's from the fire. Oh boy, that key was inside the garage. Good luck. Oh boy. Let's see. It's all about the small chip that has inside. Did it get fried? Oh boy. Oh boy. You haven't made ignition on so far?
Yeah, I first ignition on clear.
Ah, you make ignition on before?
Yes.
Alright. So now why it's not?
No, why is it? Ignition is not coming.
Oh boy. There you go. Okay. Alright. Crank it. You have to hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding it now. There's nothing.
Switch off ignition. Oh boy.
The switch sometimes works, sometimes doesn't, right? Okay.
Nice. Continue. Do it again. Well, I don't know what you did. Do it again. We have to fix it because you're not gonna be able to. You're gonna spend every morning 3 days. Okay. At least crank it. What? It's alive. It's alive. Wait. 4 years old the petrol inside, 4 or 5?
Why you didn't empty even?
I don't know. Okay, crank it now. We cranked it already. Crank it, Mr. Derek. If it starts with this petrol, it's gonna be amazing engine. Whoops. Hiccup. Yeah, perfect. Mabruk, well done. Leave it. Let it move your hand. This cold starts like that. If you close here the inlet, you're gonna start sucking from here. That's why I told you leave it. And these two, one's supposed to be for the boost solenoid, the OEM, and the other one's for the diverted valve. That doesn't have none of them. No, wait. How much oil you put inside?
How much?
Yeah, you might need to add a little bit. Alright, now turn it off and start again. What's up?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you have to fix the key, Mr. Omar. Nice. Lovely. Alright. It's good. It's running like this with this fuel inside. It's a miracle. I think that we're not gonna be able, turn it off. I believe that if you get a little bit petrol and you put it down on the floor, you're not gonna be even able to ignite to begin with. Now. Has the tune that it melts twice a piston before?
Yeah.
All right?
It has a tune, yes.
So now with this engine, because it's a bone stock, the internals of this engine,
Yeah.
if you keep the same tune and you push the car, what's going to happen? You're going to destroy the piston, then you're going to leave the connector by its own, and then you're going to destroy also the block. You're not going to melt it only. All right? Fine. So, need to fix one tune to step down to be okay. One is this one, petrol, and to fix the key.
Yeah,
And I'm wondering why the fuck we didn't wash the bonnet and the engine bay. We're gonna wash at the end. Okay, fine. You have to add. You want to add something?
No.
No, all good.
All good.
Fine,
I'm
Mr.
happy
Z.
to hear.
All
Yes,
good.
thank you. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Can I start the car leave turning like 2-3 minutes?
First, we're gonna check the oil level. All right. I see the coolant's fine. You're then gonna
Put the
check
normal
also
water here.
for flashing.
Yeah, for flashing. Because
For
the
flashing?
flashing black, so I don't want to put the coolant in the
Yeah, it's good call. You put also the liquid moly, the coolant flash, right?
I'm not sure. This one,
I see that's a foamy here, so most probably we're gonna have.
this one, if the guys did it already,
Ask the guys if they put the
okay.
coolant flash to flush the block because it's a cast iron, to empty the first, and then we're gonna put the fresh coolant inside. So all good. Good thing it's running, even with this petrol. That's a good one. Not bad. We might drain the fuel to put the fresh petrol inside to don't release the car like this, and then we're gonna take care a little bit the car to don't be so dirty. All right. Okay, it's not a fresh build engine, it's a used engine. Also, the engine is not perfect.
the lower cross member and the arms, we wash everything.
You wash everything. Make it up to put on the video to see how good you wash it, Mr. Omar. The oil cooler. Fine. You did wash the cross member, eh?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. I thought you were saying to me bullshit, that you didn't wash it.
Wash it like this.
Alright, nice.
No, the guys
Well
did
done.
this one we fix inside.
Well done.
Put the sealant here.
Yeah, for the oil pan. Yeah, but you see, it's gonna be better to put the other oil pan. Now you put it, fuck it, no worries. Now you put also this, we seal it. We open before the oil pan at the beginning to see inside that's okay and doesn't have any glitter, metallic shavings on the used engine. And now we seal it again, but yay, okay, all right, okay. The oil pickup tube is here if I remember right.
Yeah.
It's not here. Fine. You're gonna have 10 20 ml less capacity because of the dent. No worries, all good. Everything okay. Okay, guys, well done. Make sure that the fans, they're not touching anywhere because the charge pipe, it's near. Yeah, I remember that it was near. We're looking good. Well done. Check the turbocharger here, don't have any leak, coolant leak, oil return, and so on. All right, because I cut the gasket for the oil return. All right, you put also the seal here for the oil return. Lovely. All right, that's it. It's not the end. It's not the end because later on we might do something. For now, it's the end. That's working to get it back the owner and drive it. What's that? It's broken.
The bracket is broken here.
Bring the welding machine. I'm gonna spot weld it. I'm gonna spot weld it here to don't rattle because it might start rattling. You know, we're gonna put it there and finish the story. Or we're gonna put the bracket from inside. We're gonna see about that. What I wanna say now regarding the old engine, I think that I mentioned that before. What's my plan? I'm gonna strip it, I'm gonna take it apart, put it in a box, keep the studs for the cylinder head, keep the studs for the main down. The crankshaft, it should be fine, it should be need only one light polishing. The block and the cylinder head, forget it, goes for scrap. Connecting rods we can keep. We're gonna see how it's gonna be the small end because we might need to fix it. The heat exchanger, I remember that time we put a brand new Omar.
Yeah, and we'll swap it even. We put this engine.
This belongs to this engine?
This engine, yeah. Because they have a oil cooler,
all right.
the fitting is different.
Okay. It has the adapter for the oil cooler front. Yes, you're right. You're right. Okay, fine. So what's the plan? The high pressure pump is upgrade the piston inside.
Okay.
The internals are upgraded. Okay, we put the ignition coils from Audi. Okay, and we put from the donor engine, we put it here on this engine. So the plan is not now. Whenever I will gonna have some time, I'm gonna strip it off. He's gonna come the owner to see which parts are fucked up and which parts are healthy. The vacuum pump, the housing here, the high pressure pump, the PCV here up, the cover here. It's not bad if it doesn't have any crack. All right, and some other parts, the brackets and whatever, crankshaft, connectors, like I said in the previous things that I mentioned earlier, valve springs and retainers, because I think it's Ferrea inside, camshafts, cam adjusters, you know.
We keep them in like this.
If you give him see, there's no problem for me, give it to him like that. If he wants as is, let him get it as is. How he's gonna move it, how he's gonna transfer it.
Yeah, this is also
You know the point? But if you remove the things that's for scrap and you put the rest of the parts in a box, you know, with a nylon, and you wrap it, then you have it a box and you can move it easily and you don't have a parts that are for scrap. If he said to you that he wants as is, complete, no problem, better for me. I'm not gonna have to waste my time. For me, honestly, the best thing is take it as is, the engine. Less job for me. But if he wants, I can strip it off, like I said, and do what I said. All right. Check also the oil cooler, don't have any leak, just in case. And put also the oil filter and this piece down. Anything else? Nothing. And you have to flush again the cooling system. You put? Did we find out if we put a liquid moly coolant flush? You didn't put it. Okay. You're not gonna put? Ah. Okay, the good stuff. But I'm asking because I don't know. And this wiring, where are we gonna put it? We have to give it some. It's a foam, it's okay. Yeah, put also this one to clean it, man. It's not bad. Yeah, the hoses are okay.
I have to remove some water.
Why? Dump it in.
I cannot go. It will go.
Dump it, we're gonna do it twice, no problem. All right. How much remaining? No problem. Start it, leave it to, and then repeat again. We have to rinse it after all, right?
इंजन ऑयल चेक कर दो.
Most probably you're gonna need to put some. If you put only 5 liters, clean it. Wipe it. Come from this side. Don't be far away because I'm more near to the dipstick than you. Pull it out. Yep, you see, it's low.
Yes.
Yeah, put another 1 liter.
Okay, sir.
Put another liter of oil. Yeah, as expected, because it has an oil cooler and because it was empty, we open also the oil pan down. You put a new oil filter, yeah. Dump another 1 liter of oil. And then we're gonna check that again. Yeah, and the transmission oil double check,
Yeah, we have to check this.
That's it. I'm stopping the video here, right?
Yeah.
Finish. Over and out. Next video on this car, if the owner and when and if he decide to do something, we're gonna send another video. Otherwise, we're gonna stay bone stock.
Fuel, if I start 5 minutes, is no problem.
No, as soon as it starts, it's fine. Start with the old fuel, to make the bleeding for the cooling, to check the fluid level and so on. Do it. But later on, open the pipe, activate the pump through the diagnostic to empty all the fuel and put, actually, you don't want to pass all the old fuel through the filter that has inside. It's not the ideal. The ideal is to suck it before, to don't pass through the pump. That's empty with one way or the other, up to you.
Okay.
The fuel, put the fresh fuel super inside, and that's it. You can even charge the air condition with the old fuel, and yeah. That's it. Thank you. Over and out.